Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiandra Oriana. In this video, I'm going to show you how I pluck my synthetic units and get it looking like scalp. If you have not seen that video where I actually install the same exact unit, click the link in my description box below. As you've seen, the wig does come pre-plucked, but you always want to customize it to your hairline. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I first start off by sectioning the hair, like I part off some hair, and then I go behind that and I start plucking it. As I'm plucking, I like to smoothen out the hair with my hand, like you'll see, like right there. I smooth it out, and it's literally like the same thing almost with a human hair wig. You don't want to stay in one exact spot because it will cause it to become bald. So that's all that I'm doing. I slow mode this clip so you can see the detail that I'm doing. But yeah, I just slowly start moving up on the hairline, as you can see. As you'll read from the title, this is the synthetic series, so this is episode 2, and I'm literally so freaking soothed that I'm doing this because I feel like it's beneficial. I don't know how to really explain what I'm doing. I hope that it's you can understand, because I'm a visual learner, so I like to actually see what y'all talking about. So yeah, I hope that this is helpful. Always go in to comb out any hair that you pulled out. It'll make it easier, and it'll cause the hair not to be as tangled towards the end when you're done. I like to pluck from side to side about 3 times before I go in and part the hair again in that same section that I sectioned off. I feel like parting the hair 3 times in whatever section that you're working on is it works for me. I feel like that's enough because I don't want to make it too bald because this wig did come pre-plucked enough. So yeah. So I'm just showing y'all that after I finish plucking in that specific section, I comb back all of the hair, and then I start to pluck again, but I pluck behind the hairline. Pluck behind the hairline because you do not want to bald out your hairline, and it'll look crazy. It won't look slayed and laid. It'll look crazy. So now I'm on the middle section. Like I said, you want to just part it and start plucking. I started going in on this section because that section was a little too thick for me. So when I'm done plucking on the wig head, I like to actually take the wig off of the wig head, and I like to hold it up to light to see where it's still thick at. And then if it is still thick, I like to part it on my leg because I feel like it's more visible for me to see. So now it's time to style this unit, a simple middle part, and yeah, a slick back kind of look. Y'all, clearly I was tired because I didn't even notice that I had that mousse on my arm. It was 2:30 in the morning, so don't even mind that. Alright you guys, so this is the final result, the final look. I hope that you guys felt that this was helpful enough. And if you have not seen the video of me actually installing this same exact wig, click the link in my bio. This is episode 2 of the synthetic series. Be on the lookout for episode 3. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.